So whenever you see the terminologies, always whenever you get a paper, you find a paper. Now you need to see what is the study design. Go to the method section of that study design of that study, and they will explain to you what method was. If it's in vitro research, they will explain it's in vitro research. And if it's microbiology research, you will understand they are using some stains, they are using XYZ bacteria. So you will understand it's an in vitro research, and it will also be mentioned in the method section. Now the next one is, which is a little better evidence according to study design pyramid. It's the animal research. So what is animal research? Everyone knows what is animal research. I don't need to explain to you guys. Everyone knows animal research is when you have animals in the lab. Most common animals. What are most common animals used in the lab? Mice, rat, frogs, rabbits, guinea pigs, monkeys. These are most commonly used animals in the lab. And what kind of studies are conducted on these animals? Observational or experiment. We'll talk about the difference. What is observational study and what is experimental study? We'll talk about it. Don't worry about it. Then, when you move upwards, what is next? Ideas, opinions, editorial. So these are the 1 or 2 page documents written by the experts in the field. These are written by the experts in the field. So the third one, make sure you write it down. The third one is ideas or opinion articles, or ideas article, opinion articles, or editorial article. These are written by the experts in the field. These are written by the experts in the field. So you must know this. You must understand this, that you will rarely see these articles while searching data. And usually the journal's editorial section has these kind of papers, and they are still considered weak evidence because they are third from the bottom. Why are they weak? Why are they weak? Because they are somebody else's opinion. They are not empirical studies. They haven't done any lab research. They just gave their idea. So their idea, their opinion can be right. Their idea, their opinion can be wrong. Their idea, their opinion can be right, or their idea, opinion can be wrong. They are human beings. That's why the chances of bias is really high. Because when somebody is giving their opinion, when we give our opinion, we are biased most of the time. If we like somebody and we're giving our opinion on somebody, let's say we are talking about a sportsman, or let's say we are talking about an actor. We are giving a comparison of two actors and we like one actor more than the other. We tend to be subconsciously, not deliberately, we tend to be subconsciously biased. We are biased. That's why opinion, ideas, and editorials are third from the bottom, because they have more chances of bias. Yes, they can be relevant to human treatment if they are coming from a doctor, a professor who is a clinical professor, but still, chances of bias is a lot.